GameStop Chris back with you for your weekly report on silver, gold, and platinum. We got the ratio numbers. We got a deal of the week for you folks. We got some news out of GameStop, and we got some news out of the coin shop that I work for. And just let you guys know before we get going, I told you I'll show you my $50 goldback. There it is right there. Just got it in. And I'm very happy with it. It was a great deal. These are going for their retail value. You trade these in, they're worth about $266 right now. I actually got a good deal off of eBay off this one for $230. So Alpine Gold is about $256. AtMax is about $245 right now, and they have a trade value of about $266 right now. What a beautiful design that Wyoming put out. These are sturdy. The big ones are sturdy, and I do like these a lot. So please like, share, and subscribe. Trying to get to 3,200 subscribers by the end of September. Let's just get into the video right now because we got a lot to talk about, and I don't want to waste a lot of your time. So shop did $109,000 on the 13th of September. You'll see this video on the 14th of September. It was very steady. We had to order more silver in, so we got that done. We got more maples coming. We got more American Silver Eagles coming, and someone else did bring us another $100 face bag of $half. So we are processing that tonight for tomorrow. I'm going to run into the shop for about half an hour and help the guys over there to get that done. So I need to get this video done and uploaded so I can do that for them. It's just been busy, folks. I mean, silver's up, gold's up. Let's run to the numbers right now. Let's see what's going on out there. And we got silver closed out the week $31.07. The past year, silver's up $7.89, or up 34.05%. Some people like to call it a pet rock. I think 34.05% up is pretty gosh darn good over the past year. I said September's going to be a September to remember. It looks like it might just work out that way. I don't have a crystal ball. I just, I'm not a chart reader. I just see what's going on out there. And, then you got to take that and what has happened in the past. I know history don't really repeat itself, but it really rhymes. We've heard that saying before. And it's just, the fall time. We're not quite in fall yet. But normally in September, silver and gold, platinum start to pick up. And that is what's happening. We have to wait to see what happens Sunday night to see if this is really going to start picking up. What has gold done? Gold, record high, folks. Record high close once again. $2,610.70. That is up $678.20 over the past year. That is 35.09%. Sorry for the black marker there. My hand was a little bit shaky, I guess, and couldn't get that 9 really to work for me there. So, yeah, gold is record all-time high close for the week. This is good news, very good news for silver and gold. Platinum is doing very well now. Platinum, platinum is a funny metal to judge what it's going to do, but it closed out the week $1,006.80 past year. Now we're up $101.60. Platinum is now up in percentage base point 11.22%. So platinum's finally coming in for the ride. Are these metals really going to start taking off? I think they will, but again, I don't have a crystal ball with all the stuff going on right now, with the interest rates cut coming next week, with the BRICS coming in October, with the election coming in November. We got these next 3 months or so. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens, and this goes to show what's going to happen. And a lot of people, the Christmas clubs are coming due, can be able to cash out in October. So people may be buying silver and gold for Christmas presents too. We have to see if that's going to come true. This year also, it normally does play out. There's some money that is spent on silver and gold, mostly silver, I would say now. You know, we had this happen last year. We didn't sell a lot of gold around Christmas time last year, but we did sell a lot of silver. So what's the gold to silver ratio? Sorry, I bumped the camera. Gold to silver ratio is still very high, 84.02. Is it a good time to trade gold for silver? I'm going to leave that up to you. I cannot answer that question for anybody out there. You know, when people ask me at the shop, we ask them several questions, what they want, what they're thinking of doing, and what their thinking is. So if you want me to help you out, you would have to email me. My email will be in the description of the video. So you know, kind of let me know what you're thinking, and I can kind of help you, but it's not financial advice by any matter at all. I just don't do the financial advice because you know, I mean, we just don't know what's going to happen next. So what's the news out of GameStop? GameStop, the meme stock, right? Everybody was buying the meme stock. The little kitty cat guy was buying the meme stock. Well, they just announced that there are planning to close mass closes of GameStops within the next year or two. This is getting worrying with all that stock going up and all that going on. Be careful. Just be careful what you get into. I would say, I'm not just, like, again, not financial advice, but you know, everything seems they can't handle it. You know, these stores are closing down. People just don't have the money out there. So we will see what happens with GameStop. I did not check their stock price as of this video. So, you know, they're closing stores. A lot of businesses are closing down, and it's just sad to see that. So what did I find for a weekly deal for you folks? You're looking at silver Britannias, a roll of 25. They come in roll of 25. I got all these upside down because it's not the right year I'm talking about. This week, I focused on the silver Britannias, roll of 25, year of 2023, with the king on them. So I went out there to most of the major bullion places out there, and we were going to see who has the best price. Because there's a big savings from two companies, from one over the other. We will get that to it right now. Start off our friends over Bullion Exchanges. They were out. They did not have 2023s. They had 2024s, but they did not have 2023s. JM Bullion came in at the highest, $937.50 for a roll of 25. Our friends at ATMAX, a little bit cheaper, $916 even. Muddy Metals came in at $899.50. SD Bullion came in at $897.25. Hero Bullion came in at $895.25. Monument Metals came in at $853.75. But our friends at Pinbacks is the winner. $836.75. That's a total whopping of $100.75. Do the math. From JM Bullion, you would spend $100 more and 75 cents. $100.75 savings from JM Bullion. I'm going to ask you this: what can you do with $100.75 extra? You know, you could order more silver. You could pocket the difference. You can go buy some food, get some long-term food storage, whatever. But that is a savings. This is why I've always preached. You want to call it preaching, you want to call it helping out, this is whatever. We have to shop around. We can't stick with one company every single time. You know, we've seen the commercials from JM Bullion. You've seen them. I see them. They advertise on my channel. They advertise on other channels. I mean, $100 difference. Hello? What can you buy with $100 difference? So if you would have got them today, you'll be spending $100 more at JM over Pinbacks. We have to thank Pinbacks for this one. $100 savings. I'll just digress with that. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Brian. I've talked to both of them by email, or really Mike I've talked to at Pinbacks. They're really good guys over Pinbacks. Not a sponsor, but you know what? I have to give them a shout out because, they had done good for me. They have done good for a lot of people, and they are really the cheapest price this week. So put them in the mix. Put all of them in the mix. Check your prices. If you guys need help finding the best prices, I will help you personally. I'll check personally what you guys are looking for, and I'll try to find you the best price out there. So, I've helped several of you folks already out there that are not very good on the computer or just whatever. That's what you guys tell me. And, I'm willing to help. So, if you need help, just email me. It's in the description of every single video. There's no charge for me to help you. If you want to donate a little bit, there's two ways. A super thanks or PayPal, but it's not necessary because all my content is always going to be free on this channel. And to the next video, Coin Shop Chris is now out.